Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today you guys, I have two beautiful pop-up card making kits from our friends at Katy Designs. So this one is watercolor Christmas animals. It makes beautiful little pop-up cards like this one. And then we've also got garden gnomes. This is a cute little gnome, it's so cute. And you guys, I have a giveaway. I think we'll do the Christmas one for one lucky viewer. Stick around, I'll tell you how you can win this, keep or share with a friend. So come play with us. All right, so let's tell you how you could win this cute little Christmas card. So we're trying to promote our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you're watching us on our webisode page, we ask that you hop on over to Paper Wishes YouTube. If you're watching us on our webisode page, there's a link right here that says YouTube. You click on that. And we ask if you haven't finished the video that you watch it there, you like or give us a thumbs up, you leave a comment, and then in about a week we'll reply to one lucky viewer's comment. So it's important that you know your YouTube username. That's the only way we know how to identify you. And we'll say congratulations blank, and we'll put in your YouTube username there and tell you how to collect your card, okay? So definitely participate in that. It's just a fun little giveaway that we have 3 times a week. All right, so let's take a look at garden gnomes. So you're getting enough to make 12 cards, no scissors required. The only thing you need is some other kind of tape adhesive, some sort of double stick tape. It comes with little foam squares I'll show you, but you do need something like this. And this is our little tear tape. It's so easy to tear, but also we have double stick tape. It's the red one. I'll link both down below, okay? So let's take a peek in here. Full instructions on how to put this together, and then you're getting 3 of each of these pages that look like that, okay? And there's 2 cards on each one, all right? So that's 6 cards right here. And then you're getting 3 with the green background, and there are 2 on each, so that's another 6. There we go. And then same thing, they come with these backgrounds. And what's great about these, you do not need to pair the gnomes up with certain backgrounds. You can mix all the backgrounds with all the different gnomes. And then they come with all these little congratulations and things like that that go on the front. And you can mix those as well. And they give you extras on these sheets. So there's lots of greetings. You can just choose whatever you like. So here are all the backgrounds. I love the one with the little toadstools. It's so cute. All right, and then it comes with 2 sizes of foam squares. This one, they're a little chunkier, and then this one, we're really tiny. And then of course it comes with mailing envelopes because you guys, these just fold down and you slip them right in the envelope for mailing. So that is awesome. All right, so let's take a look. Build one of these with you guys. So I have this one that I've already kind of used. Oh yeah, I should mention. All right, so this is what they look like. You can see it's got the base piece here, got these little pieces right here that anchor them. This piece right here, you're layering up, and then it's got little pieces to decorate back here on the background, and then the pieces here. And then this nice little spot on the back where you can write your greetings. And on this one, I just added a few more things. I added some dazzle stickers right here. These are little jewel dazzle stickers on the centers of the flowers and the butterflies. And then I used this red border dazzle sticker right there along the bottom edge. You turn this over, another one here, added a couple of the extra flowers. And then these are the inside out greetings. They come in all different colors. They're primary colors, so red, blue, and yellow. And then we also added green, brown, and black, just to throw them in there. So those are really nice to have. And so you can jazz them up or you can keep them as they are. They're so cute. So let's make one together. So I haven't made this cute one right here with this tree. So we're punching out all of these pieces. And then this one, which is in the front where you put all the little like bees or flowers, some have 2 little knobs to put things on and some have 3. Doesn't matter which one you use. Right? And then, which one I haven't used? I haven't used this little guy. So you're just punching out, and these are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to just go ahead and get them all punched out. You may want to punch them out in order, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to layer them one over the other like this with little bits of foam tape in between. And that one goes there. And this last little one is the little bouquet right there. So cute. And then all these other little pieces come in groups of 2 or even 3, and those are for decorating. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put all the foam on here, and then we'll layer them. I did want to mention that you'll notice there's the little tabs, okay, hanging off of each one. I like to take a little sanding block, or you could use an emery board, and sand those off. I think it makes the cards look nicer. It kind of doesn't make them look sort of fuzzy like that. So that's a little tip. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, so I'm putting little foam tape here, and I've already layered 2 pieces. So now I'm going to layer the rest of these, just lining up all those little points. And then I did forget to punch out his little nose, which is so cute. Just like that. And then they even have a little detail like his little mitten right there. And then this has got, oh, I forgot to take the little papers off. So these little sticky foam tapes have little papers you have to remove. And then that's going to go right there. So cute. All right, so now we're getting ready. Went ahead and put tape on these ends here. So there's little folds like that. And you want to put that tape right on the edge of the fold, right there. And then you're folding it again, and you're folding it again. And then you're going to take this background piece, there, go away. There we go. You're going to take this background piece, and you want to put it so, and I'll put it down first and then I'll show you. You're kind of centering it like this. All right, so that it looks like that. All right, little box. And then you want it to have it so it can lay flat. So now we're going to take another one, and we're going to put some tape on here. And I think you do need to use scissors on these, because you're going to place your tape, and the only place I have found it necessary to use scissors is that. Because I think if I tore it, it would just kind of leave a raggedy piece there. So let's do ourselves a favor and just use scissors. All right, we're going to kind of burnish that tape down with your finger. We're going to pull those backing pieces off. Now we're folding, folding, folding. Right, so we're looking like this. And once again, we're going to center that on here, and we really want to get it this. Okay, it almost looks like a little birthday cake. All right, now we have, except I forgot to put the gnome on. I got so excited, you guys. So yeah, first we got to put this gnome on here. Definitely don't forget the main point of the whole thing. Yeah, that would be bad. So we're going to put some tape here. You could also put it on the back of the gnome. There we go. That's funny. There. And then we're going to center this little piece right there. Then we're going to put this piece on. Make sure it still has tape, yes. All right, there we go. Okay, good save. All right, now this piece is the piece that we're going to eventually stick these little flowers and things on. And I've got tape right here. We're going to center that right there. And then this is the little greeting that you can change out to whatever you want. I put just for you. And then this one, you do have to make sure it's aligned with the other. So I find it's best to kind of do this. Go. Now I've already got the little sticky stuff off the flowers. Oops, let's turn them this way so don't cover up the just. Okay. Put those on those little tabs. And then we're going to get rid of all of these little pieces. There you go. Isn't it cute? Cute little stand up just like that. And then you can decorate the back. Really cute. So let's move on to the winter one. All right, so this one, same thing. There are some little pieces that are a little bit different that you adhere to the back. So let's show you these. So this one's got these little trees and a moon, and it's got all these little snowflakes. And then what I did on these, I took with the snowflakes, I used this clear glitter brush, and I actually just foam taped them on there. And then once they were foam taped, I just went over them with a little bit of clear glitter. And then even with the moon, and see if you can see it shimmer. There you go. Just added a little something to that. All right, so if you see here, the animal's made of 2 pieces, and it's got a cutout right here where the little chest is, and some cutouts right here. That's cool for layering as well. And then for this one, which is a beautiful deer, okay, I added some little red jewel dazzle stickers to the holly, another one of those red border dazzles here. And then on the back, guys, we've got these are big green Christmas greetings. Okay, and we have these in different colors as well. All right, so let's see what we got to make. Okay, so you're getting 3 of each of the backgrounds. Okay, and 3 of each. You've got little birds, little deer, and background pieces. There we go. And then I love the birch trees and lots of snowflakes to decorate with. And then more background pieces, envelopes, and then once again, 2 sizes of foam tape. All right, so let's play with these. All right, so my instruction sheet again. Okay, this one, so cute. This one's got an owl and also that cute little bird. So I'm thinking, why don't we go ahead and use this background. Okay, I'm gonna get all this punched out and foam tape, and then we'll assemble it. All right, I've got all my pieces. So I thought I would start off with some birch trees. Okay, and we're gonna put those, you can put 2 layers of them, but I'm just gonna do 1 on this one. And they've already got my little adhesive and my backs, and I went ahead and sanded off my little tabs. All right, so we've got that done. Now we're gonna take, you'll notice these were 2 sizes, right? So you take the larger of the 2. I wasn't sure if I'd made that clear before. So we're taking the larger of the 2, and we're gonna just attach these to the birch trees, just like that. Okay, you want it to fold flat. You just want to test that. Now I'm not going to forget this time, we're going to attach our bird. Now these pieces punch out of the center there. You see that? And you put foam tape, kind of avoiding this area, and then you're going to put one right over the other. I think that's very clever. And then we're going to put that right there. We're going to add a little tape to that. right there. Come on, let go. Not burnish that enough. Arguing with. There we go. All right, so now we're going to make sure that this one aligns as well. Attach that. Okay, now we're folding the smaller of the two. Those little tabs, I've already got tape on these. And we're going to attach those right there. Now it's looking like this. And I've got tape on this one. I think we're going to just go ahead and do this. Can I tape them and align them? Whoops. Oh, great. Tore off a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to cover it anyway. Here, I thought it would be easier, and I didn't do any good. There. And I stuck it to my table. All right, so now we're going to put it right there. Great. And now I'm going to add this little holly, but I think it's going to be easier this time to put the tape, the foam tape right there, and then attach the holly instead of trying to do the opposite. And I think I'm going to move the holly over and attach it to the larger part of the leaf, because then it won't show through the berries. See how that goes. Go like that. And then we still have extra pieces that we could put up in here, like snowflakes and things like that if we want to. So let's get a couple of snowflakes. And there's two sizes of snowflakes. There's large and then there's small. Get a little piece of foam tape. I'm just going to put it like right here. Like that. And then one more over here. A little tape off. Like that. You could put another one up there. Then we're just going to take our little glitter pen, and I'm just going to go over that. Just squeeze it, and some extra little liquid glitter comes right out. Do this one while I'm finishing this. I'll tell you guys, we have a fantastic money saver on both of these card kits. It's right over there on the right hand side if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page. And I'm even going to take a little bit of this glitter pen and go kind of right on the holly stem, like where the vein. So yeah, definitely check out the Money Saver. If you want to buy just one of them, look down below the video and you'll see full color photos of all the cards and items that you can just choose this or that. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then just look below the video in the description box and you will see a link that will take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page. So thanks so much, you guys, for stopping by and watching me build all these cards. Don't forget that this one, this cute little fox, is our giveaway card. And there's instructions on how to participate that if you missed it. First of all, you can rewind the video and listen again. But also, we have a little note at the end of the video on how to participate. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.